Hello everyone, this is Jackie Williams, and in this video I want to share with you a fun fold card. This is called the overlapping panel card. It opens like this, and then you can have it with or without a belly band, and I have some other variations to share with you. But first, let's just make the basic template, and then we can show variations from there. So I've also made for you a downloadable free template that just shows you the basic idea, and then on the back I've got the measurements for various standard slimline, square, and a few other pieces of information that might be useful to you. So let's jump in. You will need your scoring board or your trimmer with your scoring blade. And as it says on this template sheet, I'm just going to do the standard card. So we want to cut our card base to 5.5 by 11, which I've done, and then we scored at 1 1/4, 5.5, and 9 1/4. So I put my little markers there, like this, this, and this. And then I found the easiest way to fold it was just to fold it in half. And then this score line, just fold it back, and then fold this one back as well. And that is really it for the card base. So you can have it like this, or even opening like this. Now, some of the samples I made a belly band, some of them I did not. So for a belly band, I like to keep it pretty simple, and I just make, you need about 10 inches, but you could even do it like the full length of your cardstock, which would be 11 or 11 3/4 inches, depending where you live. And then I just lay it under the card and fold it around. And then I just trim from here if I need to. And you want to fold it fairly snug, but not so snug that it's hard to get on and off. Okay, and then you'll just adhere it there in the middle. And I always put the seam on the front because I'm probably going to be putting something there that will cover the seam, and then you'll have, you know, a nice seamless finish. And then that will just slide on and off to open your card. So let's look at some finished ones. So I showed you this one at the beginning. This one's using the Celebratory Sips Suite. That's a mouthful. And this one I did do a belly band. And then I've used the Celebratory Sips Designer Series paper and the embossing folder, and then had a little more on the inside. You can put paper on all the panels so it looks pretty on all the angles if you would like. Okay. And then this one's actually not one that I designed, but was designed by my team member, Yvonne Walker. And we did this at a recent team retreat where we all shared a project. And this is using the Dino Days and those really cute plaid papers. And then open it up inside. And you might as well use all of the bits on the inside of the card. Okay, then I wanted to do a little experimenting. And for this sample, I've used the Coneflower Celebrations bundle. And I used the dies for this one. And I've rotated this 90 degrees, as you can see. And for this one, I didn't use a belly band. Instead, I've actually tucked the panel underneath the flower itself. So it's just tucked underneath there. And this panel actually doesn't open because I've got the flower covering it. So it's just going to open like this with just the one panel that will slip under here to close. Okay, then I want to make a slimline one, and for this one I used the Extraordinary Floral Washi Tape, and this is really fun. I think I'm going to have to do a separate video on this because there's just so many fun things to do with this. And I made a slimline version, and again oriented this 90 degrees and used the belly band. So the belly band just slides off like this, and I've used that washi tape to embellish the belly band there. And then this one, I've only put Designer Series paper on that one little strip. I wanted it to be left quite clean and simple. But then on the inside, I've got this nice pop of color. And then just embellish that up with some Petunia Pop ribbon and the Petunia Pop flat pearls. And then for my square sample, I used the beautiful gallery papers. I thought this was a good opportunity to use these scene papers in a fun way. So I've kept it very neutral, so that could be great for sympathy, or I think this one could even pass for a card for one of the guys. And just added flat ribbon so it wasn't too feminine. And use that belly band again. And this time when we open it up, I've got that scene running through the inside of the card. So there are my samples for the overlapping panel card. I hope you give this a try. Be sure and click on the link in the video description to download your free template. Leave me a comment and of course subscribe. This is Jackie Williams and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.